many beautiful rocks. Well, most of it has been so windy that I have only just been collecting them with the thought to show you later. But I think this is actually an agate, and it's a nice big one. So I had to show you the excitement of the find. I'll wash it off and show it to you with the rest of them later on. Poor Kava, she really thinks I'm quite crazy. Wash off. The first one that caught my eye is clearly a chunk of jasper, but I think that it's jasperized wood, which I've never found before. So if it is, I'm pretty excited about it. Basically, it's petrified wood that has been filled with jasper, and I'm really thinking that's what it is. Swirls. I knew if I didn't bring my backpack, I knew I would find a gigantic chunk that I have to haul back. And I don't even have room for it in my pocket. But I have to bring this, of course. Look at how beautiful it is. This pretty piece was actually underneath a pile of other rocks. It was sort of half buried, and I just think it's so pretty. You maybe can't. There's a band that goes all the way around the bottom, and then there's this cool little crater here, so we'll take a look at all of those. So I went a little Jasper crazy on this particular hunt because I didn't have to hike very far to the car, and so I was carrying things that I might not otherwise have done so. This one is this super cool piece of Jasper that's got white and red and yellow, orange, just really, really pretty. And it's a nice size, so I think it's something that could slice up and tumble pretty easily. Oh, that's so exciting.
Wow.
Oh man, that's so neat. It's just so big.
It's huge.
Oh, it's just sitting here on the ground. Wow, I love these little bubble things here.
Yeah.
That is super cool.
Gosh, that's awesome.
Oh. Another thing I pick up pretty often, and for no particular reason except for I'm just fascinated by them, are these pieces that are sort of folded all over each other. And I'd really like a definitive identification of whether this is actually stromatolite or not. This one is really quite hard, and I think so I'll try to slice it and see what it looks like. Maybe even polish it up. But I find them quite fascinating. I've mentioned before people who slice, hit rocks and break them open to see if there's something that they want. And I find that it's really just as easy to squirt them, get them wet, and look at them. But I found this one, and this one was actually broken open and then abandoned. And it has what I know is a green plume in here. I know this because I've cut some of these before and been pleasantly surprised to discover that it had this beautiful moss agate. And so I took this one even though it was rejected. Well, that was a fun little outing. I hope you're staying safe and well and home. This is Kate from Katey Did. Keep on doing.